Hello students, very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of Maths Teachers Modern English School Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Students, today I am going to discuss some examples of exercise 17B, chapters volume and surface area of solids of class 10 from the mathematics books R.S. Agarwal. So let's start for students. My first example is example number 17. 17 number examples. A sphere of diameter 6 centimeter is dropped into a right circular cylindrical vessel. A sphere of diameter 6 centimeter is dropped into a right circular cylindrical vessel, partly filled with water. Partly filled with water. The diameter of the cylindrical vessel is 12 centimeter. Diameter of the cylindrical vessel is 12 centimeter. If the sphere is completely submerged in water, by how much will the level of water rise in the cylindrical vessel? Okay, students, एक sphere 6 centimeter diameter in a sphere of diameter 6 centimeter is dropped into a right circular cylindrical vessel, okay, which is partly filled with water. So first of all, students, find the volume of the sphere. Okay, let's start solution. First of all, volume of the sphere. All of students, volume of the sphere equal to volume of the sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Capital R is the radius of the sphere. Okay, so students, 4 by 3 into pi, and radius of the sphere is, diameter of the sphere is 6 centimeter, then radius is 3 centimeter. So 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 cubic centimeter. Okay, and 3 is cancelled, that is 36 pi cubic centimeter. Okay, radius of the cylindrical vessel is, radius of the cylindrical vessel is equal to 6 centimeter because its diameter is 12 centimeter. Okay, the rise in the water level be h centimeter. Okay, for increase the volume of water, increase the volume of water when the sphere is submerged. Students, increase the volume of water. If 6 सेंटीमीटर डायमीटर का एक स्फीयर को जब हम सिलेंड्रिकल वेसल में डालेंगे, तो मान लेते हैं कि राइज इन द वाटर लेवल h सेंटीमीटर है और रेडियस कितना है 6 सेंटीमीटर है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कि इंक्रीज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर, व्हेन द स्फीयर इज सबमर्ज्ड. जब स्फीयर उसमें पूरी तरह से डूबेगा, सबमर्ज्ड हो जाएगा, तो कितना इंक्रीज होगा वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर ऑफ वॉल्यूम कितना इंक्रीज होगा. वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर व्हेन स्फीयर इज सबमर्ज्ड इज equal to pi r square h, that is pi and 6 का square into h equal to h centimeter, that is 36 pi h cubic centimeter. Okay students, so according to questions, this volume is equal to the volume of the sphere. क्योंकि जब भी स्फीयर उसमें पूरी तरह सबमर्ज होगा तो उतना ही लेवल इंक्रीज करेगा जितना स्फीयर का क्या है, वॉल्यूम है. Okay, so both volumes are same, that is 36 pi h cubic centimeter equal to 36 pi cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter to cancel, and 36 pi is cancelled. So h equal to 1 centimeter. For students, 1 centimeter level of water rise in the cylindrical phase. Our next example, example number 21. Water flows through a circular pipe. Water flows through a circular pipe whose internal diameter is 2 centimeter. Whose internal diameter is 2 centimeter at the rate of 0.7 मीटर पर सेकेंड. एक सेकेंड में 0.7 मीटर वाटर फ्लो होता है ना, इनटू ए सिलेंड्रिकल टैंक. एक सिलेंड्रिकल टैंक में द रेडियस ऑफ हुज बेस इज 40 सेंटीमीटर. द रेडियस ऑफ हुज बेस इज 40 centimeter. By how much will the level of water rise in the tank in half an hour? Half an hour. So students, first of all, let's start solution. A circular pipe. Water flows through a circular pipe. Circular पाइप पे होकर पानी क्या कर रहा है, फ्लो हो रहा है. कुछ इंटरनल डायमीटर इज 2 सेंटीमीटर. तो इंटरनल रेडियस इज 1 सेंटीमीटर. इंटरनल रेडियस ऑफ द पाइप दैट इज अ स्मॉल आर. इंटरनल रेडियस ऑफ द पाइप इज 1 सेंटीमीटर. क्लियर. लेंथ ऑफ वाटर flowing in 1 second. Length of water flowing in 1 second is 0.7 meter. 0.7 meter, that is 70 centimeter. Clear? Volume of water flowing in 1 second. 1 second में वॉल्यूम ऑफ कितना वॉल्यूम वाटर फ्लोइंग होगा, दैट इज पाई आर स्क्वायर एच, दैट इज पाई एंड आर इक्वल टू 1 सेंटीमीटर, 1 का स्क्वायर एंड द एच इक्वल टू 70 सेंटीमीटर, दैट इज 70 पाई सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. ओके. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर फ्लोइंग थ्रू ए सर्कुलर पाइप इन 1 second is 70 pi cubic centimeter. Okay, and at the rate into a cylindrical tank, the radius of whose base is 40 centimeter. Why? How much will the level of water rise in the tank in half an hour? For students, of water flowing, volume of water flowing in 30 minutes, because in half an hour 30 minutes is 30 minute. 1 minute equal to 60 second, that is 30 multiply 60 or multiply 70 pi cubic centimeter. Okay. That is 1,26,000 pi cubic centimeter. Volume of water flowing through a circular pipe in half an hour. Okay. To a cylindrical tank. Cylindrical tank base radius of the whose base is cylindrical tank. Radius of the cylindrical tank is 40 centimeter and let the rise in the water level in cylindrical tank be h centimeter. Okay, let the rise in the water level in a cylindrical tank be h centimeter. Okay, so students, volume of the water in the tank, volume of water in the cylindrical tank is equal to pi r square h, that is pi r equal to 40 whole square into h, that is 1500 pi h cubic centimeter. Volume of water in the tank, volume of the water in the tank is equal to volume of water flowing in 30 minutes through a circular pipe. Okay, volume of the water in the cylindrical tank is equal to the volume of water flowing in 30 minutes through a circular pipe. 1600 pi h cubic centimeter is equal to 1,26,000 pi cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter is cancelled. Pi is cancelled. So h equal to 126,000 divided by 1600. It's cancelled. Okay, that is 350 by 4. For students, the rise of the level is 78.75 centimeter. Okay, students, our next question is question number 28. 50 circular plates, each of radius 7 centimeter. 50 circular plates, each of radius 7 centimeter and thickness is 5 mm. Thickness is 5 mm. Are placed one above another to one above another. Placed one above another to form a right circular cylinder. Form a right circular cylinder. Find the total surface area of the cylinder is formed. For students, that is very simple. Radius of the cylinder, right circular cylinder, is 7 centimeter, and height of the circular cylinder is, that is the 50 circular plates, that is 50 multiply 5 mm. Okay, so 250 mm. 250 mm is 25 centimeter. Okay, height of the circular cylinder is 25 centimeter. Okay, so find the total surface area of the cylinder. So total surface area of the cylinder is, curved surface area is 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. Okay, 2 circular plane surface, that is 2 pi r is common. So h plus r, 2 multiply 22 by 7 and r is 7 and h equal to 25 and plus 7. For student 7 is cancelled. 44 multiply 32 centimeter square. One thousand 1408 centimeter square. So total surface area of the cylinder is formed is 1408 square centimeter. Okay.